all you have to do is add your SNAP or your EBT card to the Account tab. So open up the latest version of the Doordash app on your phone and select Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you go to the Account tab, you will be able to select the payment methods via the account settings. And as you can see listed over here, you will be able to select SNAP/EBT card. When you click this option, you will have to include the card number. So go ahead and input the full EBT card number and save to your account. Double check to see if all the detail is correct, and as long as the details are valid and legitimate, it will be added under the payment methods. What you can do now is shop for eligible grocery items with your EBT card. So look for stores and items with a SNAP label next to them. You can also filter them using the menu at the top of the screen. When you are shopping with a participant merchant, you can filter these items. So add them to your cart, and if everything looks okay, you will be able to proceed to checkout with all the items that you added. When you go to checkout, select the option Pay with SNAP and enter the amount that you would like to charge to your EBT card for any eligible items. Make sure that you click Pay with SNAP. If you don't select Pay with SNAP, it will use the default payment method instead. As you can see, afterwards you will be able to continue and get your food delivered to you using your EBT card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an EBT card on Doordash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.